Here we are going to review the top 5 best Rancilio espresso machine, so that you can choose the right one according to your purpose. The Espresso Works all-in-one 15-bar thermoblock espresso machine is ready to use in under 45 seconds. With its stainless steel finishes, this powerful machine looks great in any kitchen and will enhance your entire espresso, cappuccino and latte experience. The 15-bar pump creates the perfect crema, and achieving a bold taste has never been easier. The all-in-one set includes all accessories to get you started: electric grinder, portafilter, stainless steel frothing cup, measuring spoon and tamper. No need to purchase any additional accessories. The machine is powerful, yet compact and sits comfortably on any countertop. With our auto-off feature, the machine will turn off after 25 minutes of non-use. No need to worry about plugging and unplugging your machine. The Barista Express, from bean to espresso in under a minute, create great tasting espresso in less than a minute. The Barista Express allows you to grind the beans right before extraction, and its interchangeable filters and a choice of automatic or manual operation ensure authentic cafe-style results in no time at all. For espresso with a well-balanced flavor needs to be drawn evenly from all the coffee grinds. What is the best way to prepare the grinds for an even extraction rather than starting with bursts of high pressure? The Breville Infuser espresso machine starts with steady, low pressure to gently expand the grinds. This helps fills in any cracks, gaps, or irregularities in the coffee puck before full pressure is applied, so even pressure is applied to all parts of the coffee puck and optimal flavor is extracted. The Class 7 USB comes with an 11L boiler capacity. It is a 220-volt machine with a 30 amp. The new Dedica espresso maker provides the perfect espresso, latte, or cappuccino at home, all while only taking up 6 inches of space on your countertop. It also features thermo-block technology, which allows the machine to heat up quickly and be ready within 35 seconds. It has sturdy stainless steel construction and buttons for automatic flow stop. The new cappuccino frother provides barista quality foam for your favorite milk-based espresso drinks. If the water tank is not inserted correctly when in operation, could leak few drops of water, make sure the water tank is secure in place. Make sure to clean the nozzle and push the button for steam before turning the steam knob to avoid the nozzle being clogged by milk.